our last few lessons maybe?
No.
No? Okay, then. So I already shared my screen. Do you can see it,
Wait,
Vicky?
didn't we last time I was still on one of
Oh,
the
yeah.
problems?
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you for reminding me. Nah, this one. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So in the last time, we should continue to our material in a last lesson, which is fungsi dalam string. Jadi materi pembelajarannya itu fungsi dalam string. Nah, I will make sure that you still remember what is a string. What do you think about
String is a type of data that is in the form of a text.
Yeah, that's
If
true.
the data was numbers but in a form of string, you cannot use it for math, I think.
Mm-hmm. That's
Yes.
true. Okay, so that's true. String is one of type of data. The data is about, it can be number, it can be text, it can be alphabet, symbol, anything. But if the data inside petik, and then because we already learned about the operation in integer like plus, minus, divided, and others. Nah, sekarang kita akan belajar kalau kita punya data string tuh kita bisa ngapain aja, kita bisa ngolahnya itu seperti apa. Yang pertama, I want you to know that string has index numbers atau urutan nomor tiap karakternya. And they start with zero. So if we
Oh,
have like variable pemrograman, so the V is zero, A is one, and continue. Jadi kalau kita panggil nih data, this is the variable name is data like this, and then we call data pakai kurung siku 5, dia akan nampilin urutan kelima yaitu B. How if I
oh,
change this number,
this is
this 5?
awesome.
Kenapa?
It's cool.
Okay, how if I change this numbers to 12? What happened?
It will go to the number 12.
Yeah, what is the result
R,
then?
R,
Ah,
it's
that's
R.
true. Okay. Next. Okay, wait, I will remove. Okay. Now it called index string. And then we also can slicing. Slicing it means we want to take a sum of character or maybe sum of sentence from our variable string variables. For example, we want to have variable pemrograman and then we want to just take the variable. We can use like this data 0.2 and then the last karakter. Tapi di
Okay.
sini datanya itu start with 0, 0, tapi kenapa ini 8? Karena ini tuh harus di plus 1. Jadi kayak kalau mau variabel ya kan L-nya ke 7 nih, itu harus di plus 1 untuk L-nya dapet. Karena yang 8 itu nggak akan ke bawah gitu. Jadi kayak batas maksimalnya 8 ya, 8 nggak ikut gitu.
Okay, how about 9 to 19?
Nah, how about 9 to 19? What is the result?
No, do I also need to put like an extra 20 or I can just 9.2 19?
If your index string like 0 until 19, if you want to take pemrograman, you should 20 then.
Mm. So if I only write until 19, it would just say pem pro pemrograma.
Yeah, that's true. Like this, pemrogram.
Mm.
Okay. Nah, and then we can also count the character of your string. For example, name, Raisa Berlian, and then length, that is the function, and parenthesis is like the parenthesis is the name of the variable that you want to count, name, and then print, it will be 13. Nah, 13 ini didapat dari mana? Dari semua karakternya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nah, even symbol, anything, it's still count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Okay.
Okay? And then we can have find. Function find is to make sure that, for example, we want to search a specific sentence or maybe specific characters. So we have alamat equal Jalan Danau Raya Sawojajar. And then we want to find Sawojajar.
Oh.
So the print is 15. Why 15? Because this one S Sawojajar ini itu urutan ke-15.
Mm. Is this kind of how Google Maps work? Like we put in the thing and then it search the area, like the data.
Ya, betul. That is the function of it. Okay. And then, nah karena posisinya ada Sawojajar S-nya itu di 15. And then if I find Singosari in alamat Jalan Danau Raya Sawojajar, the result is -1. Do you know why it is -1?
Because it doesn't exist.
Yeah, because it doesn't exist. That's true. So if you find something that doesn't exist, the result it will be -1. So I will ask you alamat 1 equal Malang, and then we want to search alamat 1.find Malang. Print posisi 1. What is the result?
1.
1. Okay. How about Bandung? Bandung.
It would also be 1.
1. Okay, let's see. So actually, the Malang, it should be 0 because the
It
index
starts
starts with
with
0.
0.
You should remember about that. And then about the alamat 2, it should be -1 because Bandung and Bandung actually same, but the data with capitals, and then we're searching Bandung with non-capital.
Mm.
So the Python detection uh, detect that the variable and the searching is different data. So how we can solve that? I mean, gimana nih caranya kalau sebenarnya tuh data ada, tapi kita berasumsi datanya nggak ada karena kesalahan huruf besar, huruf kecil. How can we solve that problem? We can solve that problem using this function. The function is lower. Lower. Digunakan untuk change anything string and make it a lower case. Jadi huruf kecil.
Kalau upper ada nggak kayak mengubahnya
Ada.
jadi huruf besar semua?
Yeah, that's true. Ada. Fungsinya ya upper gitu, titik upper. So the variable it will be capitals gitu. Oke. Okay? So and then bisa diapain lagi sih si string ini? Nah, string ini also can be plus and then multiple. Tapi dia the function is for combine, not for kayak bukan ditambah tapi intinya plus itu akan menggabungkan. So it's like 8 plus 8, it will be 88. Kemudian kayak kita punya bermain kali 3. Nah, kalau string dikali sama integer itu bisa juga. Artinya bermainnya akan dicetak 3 kali gitu. Tapi kalau bermain dikali bermain, nah itu nggak bisa error. Okay? Do you have a question?
No.
No? Then, okay. Kemudian kesimpulannya, apa fungsi len?
To count the amount of numbers of a string.
Okay, that's true. How about string memulai urutan indeks dari berapa?
0.
0. That's true. Apa fungsi find?
To find a certain data to assert a part of the string.
Okay. How about lower?
To make it lowercase.
Yeah, okay. Do you have a question?
No.
No. Okay, then let's practice.
Okay. Let's see, where is this? Share. Okay. Wait, no. I clicked the wrong thing. I should delete that. Delete. Okay. Let's see. Untuk menghasilkan program seperti tempat ini. Review restoran kami. Menu restoran sangat enak. Terima kasih atas review. Itu you need to put. Okay, now let's try.
Okay, nice. That works. Submit.
Buatlah program yang menghasilkan masukkan kata rahasia Indonesia jumlah huruf 9. Okay, let's start the assignment. Okay. Password sama dengan put let's say ya. Oke, sekarang dan ini print untuk rumah. Mari kita lihat output. Oke, coba kita jalankan lagi. Coba kalau misalnya nggak pakai spasi. Berhasil. Nama customer Andini.
So actually you should slicing.
Hah?
Jadi ini kan punya Andini 2394 kayak kecampur gitu ya sama mungkin ID member or something. Nah, your task is should take just the name. Pakai yang 0.2 itu.
Oh, 0.2. Oh ya, ini 0.2 1 2 0 1 2 3 4 5 Oke, 6.
Nah, formatnya itu call the name of the variable first, jadi kayak kode gitu. Terus ada kurung siku baru angkanya.
Oh ya ya. Code and then shift no ni run. Yes. Yes.
Okay, that's true. Continue, submit.
Nah, perbaiki kode di bawah ini sehingga menghasilkan program seperti berikut. Masukkan menu favorit kamu di siomay ayam bakar. Ayam bakar 8. 8 ini kayak 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hah? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 ini maksudnya gimana?
So actually, so you can input this. So masukkan menu favorit kamu di restoran kami. Nah,
Ya,
kami
aku
itu
ngerti.
mau make sure ayam bakar itu kayak ini ceritanya ya. Maybe back the story of this story is like si restoran ini tuh mau make sure ayam bakar tuh termasuk menu favorit nggak sih? Kayak gitu. Nah, jadi kamu harus bikin inputan, and then you should find isn't ayam bakar uh, in any favorite of customers gitu. Kenapa ini ada 8? Karena di sini tuh urutan ke-8 ayamnya
Oh, oh iya ya.
yang fine tadi.
Oke, aku cek dulu. Lalu makanan ini tunggu. Kalau fine nggak pakai ini ya? What? Miss lagi mute, Miss lagi mute.
Oh iya, sorry. I forget to unmute it.
Kalau
So, makanan
kayak dot fine
dot fine, yeah, that's true.
like this,
Yes, and then parenthesis di dalamnya yang kita cari yaitu ayam bakar.
kayak gini,
Yang biasa.
kayak gini. Salah. Gini.
Yes, betul.
Lalu kita masukkan ayam bakar.
Yes, ada petiknya ayam bakarnya.
Ayam bakar. Lalu print
Yes.
kita masukkan kesukaan.
Mhm.
Lalu kita juga masukin 8-nya ini berarti
8-nya itu kesukaan itu, hasilnya kan 8. Nah, kamu perlu masukin manual yang ayam bakar, kayak petik ayam
ya
bakar, koma, kesukaan.
8-nya itu berarti pakai len ya? Len atau apa itu?
Oh, 8-nya itu pakai find ini. Kan find ini hasilnya 8 nanti.
Oh ya ya.
Find itu kan numbers ya hasilnya. Jadi kayak find itu walaupun kegunaannya itu mencari, tapi sebenarnya dia mencari posisinya gitu. Jadi 8 itu dapat dari variabel kesukaan.
Oh, berarti untuk aku coba dulu sih. Aku coba
Boleh
dulu.
coba dulu.
hanya nunjukin angkanya.
Nah, hasilnya angka. Jadi kamu harus input yang
Berarti aku harus masukin makanan gitu.
masukin ini ayam bakar. Ketik ayam bakar.
Caranya, oh harus
Manual. Ketik
manual.
ayam bakar gitu. Ya, that's true.
Kayak gini.
Betul, coba.
Oh ya, siomay, koma, ayam, oke, hasil. It's mini project now.
Oke. Nah, let's go. Tapi misalkan jelasin dulu.
Oke, do I stop share?
Ya. Udah kelihatan?
Kelihatan.
Okay, so continue to our mini project in lesson 4, yaitu kita akan selain mini project, kita ada review dulu materi ya. Kita ada quiz to make sure that you understand all of the material in this module, because in the next lesson we will move to module 2, and then after that, so we will continue to our project. But before that, I will make sure that materi apa yang masih kamu kurang pahamin? Ada nggak some materials that you still confused about it and you want to asking me right now?
Right, itu kalau kita nggak nginiin kura-kura, apakah masih bisa atau tidak?
Right, iniin kura-kura itu apa maksudnya?
Kan kalau yang pertama kali pakai right itu yang saat kita masih percobaan itu harus right-nya itu ada kura-kuranya kan. Kalau semisalnya masukin program right, tapi kita tidak memasukkan shape kura-kura gitu, gimana?
Bisa aja, walaupun actually if you don't have turtle or the shape is not turtle and then you want to make it right, it still can. Jadi nggak harus
Kalau
kura-kura.
oke, kalau bikin persegi gimana? Kalau pakai bikin persegi kan code-nya
Kalau bikin persegi,
kayak kayak bangun datar selain lingkaran itu loh, kan lurus berapa, lurus belok lurus berapa, belok lurus berapa, itu apakah juga bisa tanpa kura-kura?
bisa. Pokoknya ada kode forward left gitu. Nggak harus. Actually kura-kura itu kan shape-nya ya. Kalau kamu nggak pakai shape itu bisa kayak gini contoh. Miss ke kode HS-nya. Salah. Nah ini kan ada kura-kuranya. Maksudnya kamu mau hilangin kura-kuranya, bener nggak?
Iya.
Actually you have code this. Hide turtle.
Ya,
Dia hilang.
Kalau dari awal kura-kuranya nggak ada.
Bisa kayak gini. Diganti di awal aja.
Ah. So the code will still run properly without the turtle.
Oke, iya, bisa.
Oke.
Ada lagi?
No.
No, jadi kita kuis dulu ya. Kuisnya misalkan kirim link, kamu bisa langsung aja which. Pakai Quizzes, kamu udah sering kan ya pakai Quizzes?
Ya. Dikirim lewat apa?
Bentar, Miss K, I will send you by sharing Zoom. Wait. Oke.
Okay. Let's see.
Boleh di-share screen lagi?
A sec. Let me. So I share screen now.
Ya.
Share like this.
Enter your name.
Like this.
Nanti you should using at least ada dikinya gitu. Soalnya kecampur sama another student, I takutnya nanti confused with the report. Nah, gitu
Okay.
boleh. Oke, klik start.
Okay.
Okay, and then I will start.
Kutip. Apa yang akan dicetak oleh kode berikut? Print Python. Print hasil dari len 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Apa yang dilakukan metode in dalam sebuah string? Goto XY pada turtle Python digunakan untuk bukan merupakan perintah dari turtle adalah bikin fill forward color fungsi input T. Manakah dari berikut ini yang bukan tipe tata? Hasil dari apa yang akan dihasilkan oleh kode berikut? 14 dibagi 3. Manakah kode yang tidak menghasilkan error? Forward 500. Color yellow input. Print. Ama Ariba. Kode mana yang bisa mengambil nama ban pada variabel di atas? Nama 0, 1, 2, 3, 5. Ini fungsi. Print hello plus world. Do I need to fill this?
Nggak perlu di skip aja. Okay, good job. Udah selesai.
I didn't realize my grade was like this.
Nah, okay, nice. 100% ya. Jadi, okay. Ada pertanyaan nggak about this question? Tapi udah perfect semua sih.
No.
Is it too easy for you?
I did have 2 problems wrong.
Mm-hmm. Back return to home page aja. You have 2 problem and then
But there were like redemption rounds.
oh ya, okay.
What's this
Okay,
about?
kalau gitu karena nggak ada masalah di kuisnya, good job. Miss akan stop lagi, and then I will explain to you about the project, what kind of project that you should create. Okay. So the kriteria projectnya yang pertama itu di sini memanfaatkan fungsi-fungsi yang telah kita pelajarin. So you should make sure that your project have input, variable, and then you can use print or you can use write or you can use kind of function in Turtle like forward, left. So if you want to drawing some things, it can be, and then the project should run without error, and then the project have involved or gain the knowledge, it will be good. Okay, so the example you can create like this. So automatic drawing shape, make it just one square, maybe you can create 3 or 4 like square, triangle, circle, or something. But the color, it depends on the input of user, and the length of square depend also by user. So actually just the example if you feel stuck, but if you have an other idea, it will be good.
Okay.
Okay, so actually the time for create this project is like 25 minutes. Tapi karena tadi kepotong ya sama yang sebelumnya, jadi kamu boleh kerjain dulu in this class. We still have 15 minutes because we start at 10 past 5, 9 past 5, jadi we will finish 10 past 5. Okay? Jadi
Okay.
kamu punya kesempatan untuk ngerjain in live class sebanyak 15 menit kurang lebih. So you can ask me if you have question.
Okay.
Oke, ada pertanyaan lagi sebelum kamu mulai?
No.
No. Oke, udah. Do you already have idea?
Kind of.
Oke, boleh you can share your screen.
Yeah. Good. Let's go. Start. Start. Let's see. Hmm. Okay, now let's say we put this input. Okay, now what does I see? Okay. Okay, that's one class. What's your name? D. Error. Input is not defined on line 3. Oh, input. So that's should D. Okay, I think I make it too big. Okay, let's just MD 22. Okay. I've used input integer. Now let's use input let's say I could, so that means I would like it to print good. Uh,
Oke, Miss cek dulu gimana nih sejauh ini.
is this correct?
Rating, kalau len itu len dalam kurung rating.
Also so rating dot
Rating dotnya nggak perlu. Just len dalam kurung rating. Gitu.
no, I want to write it so your rating is, and then put the rating and then put the len.
So the
How do I?
kayak gini.
Okay.
So rating before len, you don't need that.
If I also want to put the rating.
Ya di dalam ini your rating is rating gitu. Di dalam petik. Kalau mau ada rating lagi.
Wait, I want to try this first. Oh,
Oh, I see. So you should add comma after rating.
oh, okay. Shift M D enter 66 Enter. Very good. And also maybe I would make it like this. Oh, 66. Okay. What do you think, Miss?
Okay, your rating is. Coba boleh diulangin? Run
Okay.
lagi.
So name M D enter 2020. Okay, this is going to be kind of fun. Now the rating we can make it. We can write anything. Tada.
Okay, that's cool. Okay, boleh. You can still improve it if you have a time and you have another idea. And then you can show me again in the next lesson.
Okay.
Okay? Okay, good job, Vicky, for this class today. Jadi hari ini kita we just recap, but we continue about the string. So kesimpulannya hari ini tentang string kita belajar apa aja? Do you still remember it?
So today I learned about string, about like what uh, what I can
Maybe
do with it,
yeah.
and I can. Uh, I also learned that each word is assigned to letter number. Yes, number 0
Hmm.
to the last one, and I learned to use len and also
Yeah.
find.
Okay. Okay, that's true. Learn for count amount of characters and find for searching the specific sentence. Tapi yang perlu diingat dia munculnya itu berupa the positionnya gitu. And then we learn about lower, upper, and others. Okay, maybe that's it for today. Thank you, Dicky. We will see you again in the next meeting di hari Jumat ya.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Dicky. See you.